Alright, hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick solution, a quick fix to temporarily fix the issue with the locks on your B8, the Audi 8.4. For example, here's this situation. Mine, door's closed. I want to put on the lock. The locks, but it won't be armed. The reason why is the actuator doesn't work on one of the doors, and that's apparently that is really common issue on these cars. A quick fix for this is, let's say you're out in a store and you need the cars locked. Take a flathead. I just realized now that basically after I record that, I forgot that I used my multi-tool to do that. But in actuality, you don't need that. You just need your key, and the key you could pop that out from here. Push this out. Push this in, and you can pull out your key. On these cars, in the door sill right here, see this thing here? This is a part of the actuator. Remove this, take a flathead and remove this. Basically, put that in there and lock it manually. Like that, like there. Put this in there, lock it manually. Cover back on. And now, your doors are locked. Now they're locked, go for it. It won't open. Unlock it. They'll all open except for the back one. The back one's still locked. Unlock it. Now it's all locked and all four doors are locked. And that is a quick fix on the fly if you need to put your doors all locked and you can't really pick up an actuator yet. The best thing to do would be to replace the actuators that have gone bad. So I do hope you guys find this helpful. If you guys did, please do consider hitting the like button down below and subscribing. I'll be making a lot more videos on this Audi A4 in the future. Now that it has joined the fleet, there still will be motovlogs and stuff like that, but this Audi is here to stay. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you guys found it very helpful, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. See ya.